Sinuspindi muna ng Ombudsman sina LTFRB Chief Vigor Mendoza at OTC Chairperson Teofilo Guadis III dahil yan sa patuloy na paggamit ng Stradcom LTO IT system kung saan nagdulot ito ng dagdag bayarin sa mga motorista. Si Juan Antonio nakatutok.
Ipinag-utos ng Office of the Ombudsman ang 6 na buwan na preventive suspension without pay laban kay LTFRB Chairperson Vigor Mendoza at Office of Transportation Cooperatives Attorney Teofilo Guadis III. Dahil yan sa di umano'y grave misconduct at conduct prejudicial to the best interest of the service.
The Office of the Ombudsman has ordered the preventive suspension without pay of LTFRB Chairman Vigor Mendoza II and Office of Transportation Cooperatives Chairperson Teofilo Guadis III for 6 months for the administrative charges for grave misconduct and conduct prejudicial to the best interest of the service. The Ombudsman found sufficient grounds for the preventive suspension, citing strong evidence showing their guilt.
Nagugat ang suspensyon dahil sa patuloy na paggamit ng Land Transportation Office ng LTO Stradcom IT Service noong hepe pa lang sina Mendoza at Guadis ng ahensya. Una na kasing naaprubahan ang paggamit ng bagong LTO Management Service.
The case involves their actions as former chiefs of the Land Transportation Office or the LTO and the continued use of the Stradcom-operated LTO IT system despite the implementation and acceptance of its replacement, the Land Transportation Management System or the LTMS.
Dahil dyan, umabot sa 13.3 billion pesos ang fee burden sa mga motorista mula 2019 hanggang 2025.
The continued parallel use of the old system resulted in the continued collection of computer fees from the public. The Commission on Audit found that these fees amounted to more than 13.3 billion pesos from 2019 to 2025, causing what it described as an additional burden and expense for the transacting public.
Taong 2013 nang natapos ang 10 taong kasunduan ng pamahalaan sa Stradcom habang nagpatuloy ang paggamit nito hanggang 2016 sa ilalim ng phase-out agreement. Taong 2021 naglabas ng certification ang LTO para sa project completion at acceptance para sa bagong LTO Management Service. Juan Antonio, IBC News.